lot.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes, it is. I used to think it's fun, but not anymore.
Yeah, it's fun being here, you know.
Fun times, almost every day is a fun time with friends.
Yeah, I can say that engineering is fun to some extent, but it becomes quite boring because of the study part of the engineering. Right?
Engineering is fun. Out here, it definitely is.
Yes, it's the 3 Fs: faculty, facilities, and friends.
Right proportion of study and fun.
As a brand, you find the best of the brains of the country in IIT.
For me, it's all about giving your best and studying like you're an animal and something.
It's a smile with wrinkles.
It is about you think something about the college and you find it to be even better. That's it.
Most of the time you have to study.
The thing is that here you also have to perform. So it's not that you are very free here or you are just enjoying. You have to study as well.
It can be all about studies, or it can be all about cultural activities, or it can be a mix of both.
So realizing your dreams, converting opportunities into success, and do what you want to do.
Management of studies along with fun.
Yeah, all we do here is just enjoy. Hard work, fun.
Fun, musty, but studies not to forget.
It's all about attitude, intellect, and respect.
You can get out of the campus at any time you want.
We have a co-ed hostel for girls and boys.
I've had an incredible time in IT so far. I mean, maybe friends, maybe basketball, maybe anything. I mean, we've had a great time in the hostel.
In every worst scenario, you can perform well. This is the best thing you learn at IIT.
Well, like night out, moving out, that's like almost usual because there are no hostel timings for us.
Best thing, you will get higher placements.
We are able to have fun at the same time in spite of the tough studies and all the busy schedules. So
You get to compete with the best people. It's just the freedom they give that makes us, more efficient to meet deadlines, and that is why the bigger consultancies and all go for us.
It's good for engineering and technology purposes, but yeah, you have a lot of pressure to perform.
You have to manage your academics with other activities like cultural, sports, inter-college, inter-hostel events, and other academic events also.
Your parents are happy with you and we are happy with ourselves because the life is awesome over here, the cultural activities, the sports and everything.
Learning, whether it is academics or issues of life or values in life, you are always learning something new here.
When you have a tag of IIT, you think you are on top of the world.
I guess nothing.
you don't get a lot of free time.
Girls.
We've got everything on the campus except girls.
Girls, of course.
Hang out with friends at night.
Playing basketball, so I'm gonna miss that a lot.
I will miss my friends.
My hostel life and my friends.
My friends.
There are definitely friends.
I think it should be sports because I don't think once you get yourself a job and all, you'll be able to play.
The hostel life. Well, it's very, very, very fun there.
Friends, parties.
Hostel. Nothing.
My hostel life and my friends.
Friends and nightlife.
The freedom.
Of course, I mean, I've worked really hard for 2 years. I went through rigorous admission procedure for IITs, and yes, I mean, in the last 4 years I've had an enriching experience altogether. So it is worth it.
2 years of continuous hard work, and I think it's worth it.
During my 11th, 12th, I prepared for JEE, and finally I was able to clear it first attempt. So it was worth it.
3 years of hard work. It was worth it. Every minute of it, I guess. It's fun over here.
Yes, it was all worth it.
I think by looking at all the companies that are coming to recruit me, yes, it was worth all the time.
It was totally worth it. So it at least gave us the opportunity. I won't really comment on whether we grabbed the opportunity well enough or not, but it does give you a great opportunity to land up at a lot of good places in your life if you really are ambitious and ready to work for it.
Bittersweet symphony.
Fun unlimited.
Fun.
Yeah, it's a fun time.
Awesome.
Fun.
Curries with lots of spices.
Awesome. Fun.
Fadu. IITD brings smiley on your face with wrinkles.